What's up guys, it's Adrian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Viral Spy, how you can use it to find what your competitors are doing and how you can use it to spot trends, and also how you can use it to come up with amazing content ideas. So you'll never run out of content ideas ever again. If you have a meme account or a theme account or even a repost account, this is going to be one of the most powerful tools that you can ever use. So a lot of influencers today, they even use this strategy to grow their own personal account. They find viral content online and then repost it on their page, just like how meme accounts or reposts or theme page accounts post as well. This strategy works because the content already has social proof when they find the content, and all they do is repurpose it on their page, so they know that it's going to perform well because it already performed well on someone else's account. So if you're serious about growing your Instagram account, then this is the one platform and the strategy that you need to know and utilize daily to get more visibility on your page and get more growth on your page. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. So as I mentioned, if you want to grow your account, Viral Spy is a game changer. So basically, you can just go in and type in anyone's username, any hashtag, or any location, and then it will populate the top 50, top 300, 1,000, 3,000 posts for that search. So let's do an account that everyone knows. Let's say Will Smith. So you can see that it pops up a bunch of data on his account. It says his engagement rate is a 3.09. So a good tip is if a brand is looking to do a brand sponsorship, they're usually looking for accounts with at least a 3.0 engagement rate. And what engagement rate means is basically based on the amount of followers you have, what percentage of them is interacting with your post. So anyways, let me show you what it does. So these are the top 50 posts that Will Smith has posted. So you can click on it and it brings you to a page that actually shows you the post. Based on this alone, now you can go to any person's account. You can just find their top performing post and model what it is that they're doing. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I do my research and how I find viral content ideas that I can use on my personal account and also that my clients can use on their accounts as well. So what's also awesome about Viral Spy is they have filters. So you can sort by likes, comments, engagement, video views. You can sort by photos, videos, albums is carousels. You can sort by minimum likes, minimum views, minimum comments. You can also choose dates. So you can also use hashtags to find viral content. Say I want to find the most popular content for the hashtag techno music. So these are the top posts in the hashtag techno music. So again, you can like scroll down and find content ideas for days. But what's also cool is now they're giving you other accounts that uses this hashtag. So you have Techno Bible, Rave Girls Official, Techno Airlines. So now what's also awesome is if I click Techno Bible, now it shows me all the top posts for the account Techno Bible. This is genius because now if you ever want to find content in your space, all you have to do is type in a hashtag. It shows you a bunch of other accounts that are using that hashtag, and then you can click on one of those accounts and then it shows you all the top posts for that account. And you can just do this over and over and over again, and you'll be able to find content all day, every day. You'll never run out of content. Now what's also cool is I can just go here and click the download button and it downloads that clip. Or if I want all of the clips, I could just click zip download. So yeah, I can go through, look at all the content, see what is performing the best. I can either model it or reuse the content with my music behind it, and it will perform well because it's already performing well for most of these other accounts. If you just keep doing this, this is how you grow your Instagram account like super fast. This is how most meme accounts grow their Instagram accounts. It's how most theme accounts grow their Instagram accounts, and also how most repost accounts grow their Instagram accounts. So if you're serious about growing your Facebook or Instagram account, don't forget to check out this video right here where I actually walk you through exactly what to do with the viral content once you find it. If you ask me, Viral Spy is a game changer, and it's also free for the first 2 weeks. So if you haven't already checked it out, I have a link posted in the bio that will take you here and allow you to use the platform. So you can also search locations. So I typed in New York City, and this is everything that popped up. So if I click New York, this is what populates. Now, if I ever am in New York City and I need content idea, all I have to do is type this in, and now I know all the exotic places and all the best places to go and take photos. And again, these are already performing well, so they give me ideas of where to go to do shoots. Again, this is another really awesome way to see what your competitors are doing and gives you the opportunity to analyze what's performing well in a specific industry. So if you found value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. So not a lot of people know about Viral Spy, and if you want to check out Viral Spy yourself, there's going to be a link in the bio that you can click. It'll bring you to their website that you can check it out yourself. They offer a free 2-week trial, so I highly recommend going and testing it out for yourself. I'm also going to link a free resource in the bio that you can check out, which shows you my 5-step process to actually grow my Instagram account organically.